Hi guys, this is Beginner Conversation Week 6 Part 2. So we just finished doing a PowerPoint to review some of Chapter 7 past tense verbs. And next we will look at our textbook together. So let's go to the textbook. It is page 64 in your textbook. So last time we did the Flipgrid questions for page 63, and you remember here is the verb bank for the chapter. It is really helpful to study this verb bank and make sure you know these words. Watch the PowerPoint video from part 1 if you want to review the sentences and questions using these past tense words. So let's look at the textbook My Experiences. I'll talk about a time I was successful. Okay. Bang, 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 bang. So I learned to ride a bicycle. Wow, how old were you? About 8. I fell down a lot. Fell. I fell down a lot. How did you learn? My dad helped me. Nice. Okay, so your homework for this week, I want to look at page 65. We did all of this in the video for part 1. So please complete the conversation here for grammar check, asking about vacations. And please do part 3 with past tense irregular verbs. Irregular verbs, this IRR, irregular, means the past tense word isn't plus ed. So sometimes you just add d, right? Surprise, surprised. Learn, learned. Okay? Study, studied. Help, helped. So it's very easy, plus ed. But the irregular verbs change, like go, went, eat, ate, take, took. Okay, so the irregular words are a little bit more difficult because it's not just plus ed. So go ahead and do this part 3. So part 2 and part 3 is homework for week 6. Next, let's look at the group work, My Special Day. So these are some sentences about a special day. I was at the beach. I was with my best friend. I met a wonderful girl. I felt very happy. So think about these questions. Where were you? Who were you with? What did you do? How did you feel? And please write 5 sentences for how to talk about your topic. Okay? The topic is, I'll talk about mama. I'll talk about the best day of my life. Okay? I'll talk about a wonderful time. Okay? So here are some different topics. Then answer these questions to make sentences. Okay, and let's look at this one, Real Stories Together. I think this one is kind of interesting and funny. So read about Frayne and complete the sentences from the words below. There are 2 extra, so 2 words we don't use. I like unusual stories. Do you know the story of Frayne Selak from Croatia? When he was 33 years old, he was on a plane. When he was 33, Frayne almost died on a train. It fell into an icy river. A year later, he was on a plane. The back door opened. The back door opened and he was sucked out. He was sucked out. 3 years after that, he was on a bus. The bus crashed. The bus crashed. 4 people died. When he was 41, Frayn's car caught on fire on a highway. 8 years ago, a bus knocked him down. Then the following year, his car rolled down a mountainside. But finally, at age 74, he won the lottery. Frayn bought a house, a new car, and a boat. He said, "Life is sweet. Life is good. Life is sweet." Okay, so this is kind of a funny past tense story about a guy. Is he lucky or is he unlucky? Many bad things happened, but he always was alive, and in the end, he won the lottery. Okay, so, all right, that is the end of the textbook for Chapter 7. So you've got a little bit of homework for this chapter. Again, you'll do page 67. Let me check. Page 65, 2 and 3, and then page 66, part 2. Okay? Not too much. This one you don't have to do. You don't have to do page 67. Okay? So, no, not here. Next, we will start studying chapter 9. Okay? So, the important thing about the Chapter 7 is past tense sentences and past tense follow-up questions. So be ready for your midterm speaking test when we will have a partner conversation. I will ask you some questions like, what did you do last weekend? Or what did you do last summer vacation? And I want to hear past tense answers and follow-up questions from your partner to talk about what you did. And remember to ask your partner, how about you? What did you do? Okay. We will talk more about your midterm in the next few weeks, but we are thinking about how to prepare for your midterm on week 8. So the plan is that on week 7, next week, we will have a Zoom class together, Zoom, so you can practice speaking live with your partner. Okay? So on week 7, I will give you some groups and a class time, and you will have a 30-minute class during our normal class time. So Monday at 9 o'clock, maybe, be ready. Maybe your time will be 9 o'clock or 9:30 or 10 o'clock. I will tell you your name and your time next week so you can prepare for the Zoom class, okay? I will post the information very soon so you can see what time is your class and who is in your group together. Okay? All right. So next, please watch video for part 3 where we will introduce chapter 9. Okay? Thanks, guys.